Hi there, students. Malice. Malice is a noun, usually uncountable. I wouldn't normally say a malice. Okay, malice is the wish or the intention to harm other people, to upset them. So he criticised me, but there was no malice in his criticism. You have the adjective malicious as well. But malice is wanting to hurt somebody, the desire to get back at somebody. So despite the fact that he won the competition unfairly and I came second, I bear him no malice. I don't want to harm him. I don't want to upset him. I'm a good person. Yeah, malice, this is talking about spite, malevolence, animosity, yeah, wanting to hurt somebody. Okay, there was a look of malice on his face, yeah, the desire to hurt somebody. So he did it out of malice. Yeah, if somebody does something out of malice, you're saying they're not a very nice person. They're doing it out of hate because they really detest you. Yeah, malice is a state of mind where you do something because your intention is to hurt somebody. Yeah, you have evil intentions. This is the idea. I think I made a video with malice aforethought. It's quite a formal phrase, meaning you thought about and planned something in order just to hurt this person. Yeah, malice, the idea, with the intention to hurt. So he acted with great malice. He was trying to hurt me. The company wanted to sack a number of employees, but they didn't want to pay the indemnity. Yeah, so this was a malicious dismissal. Yeah, it was constructive. Yeah. Okay, malice is a very nasty emotion. Malice is this feeling, I'm going to do it because like that I can get back at this someone. Yeah? I think legally it's the intention to do something illegal. So malice aforethought, you plan to do something bad. Let's see, children are normally good, and if they do something wrong, it's not out of malice. It's just normally because they like to test the limits or something like that. But malice, spite, enmity, vindictiveness, rancor, bad blood, ill will, yeah, vengeance, yeah. Okay, so I didn't do this out of malice. It was just an accident. Yeah, I'm really sorry. So particularly to bear somebody malice or to bear somebody no malice. Yeah, I feel malice towards these people. Yeah, I want to hurt them. Okay, there was no malice in what she said. Yeah, a sadist takes malicious pleasure in hurting other people. Yeah, they hurt people out of malice. Yeah, malice is like a grudge. So to bear a grudge, to bear malice against somebody. Yeah, he did it with malice towards nobody. Yeah, or to do something out of malice. Okay, formality, malice. I think this, I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I don't think I would use it informally. I think I would use it a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from French malice, from Latin malitia, which literally comes from malus, meaning bad. Yeah, so if you feel malice towards someone, you have bad thoughts towards them. Yeah, you really dislike them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Malice Malicious.